Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. You already know that Amazon.com has hundreds of products that you can promote and make cash with, and you know that YouTube Shorts is one of the fastest methods, with the intention to get thousands and thousands of perspectives proper, now without showing your face, and without making videos. But perhaps you do not know the way to sign on to turn out to be an affiliate for Amazon associates with the nice products on Amazon, or as a way to make you the most quantity of cash and the YouTube Shorts you may make without showing your face. Absolutely without cost. I can display you the whole thing from begin to complete, step by step, to make this load simpler for you, wherein we teach you a way to hack your way to generating easy money. Recollect to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated each time I add new and latest money-making films. Also destroy that like button and leave a remark below when you have any questions, ideas, or recommendations. Now let me show you the hack to making money. Step number 1 goes to look Amazon Associate application into Google and simply click on the first link here, and you can see that you may sign on. How it works is you sign up, you suggest, and then you definitely earn. All you need to do is click on sign on right here, and if you have got an Amazon account, you may just register right here or click on create your Amazon account. Insert your electronic mail, your name and password, and create your Amazon account. Go to your email and discover the OTP or one-time password. Paste it right in here and click on verify now. Simply write your deal with Metropolis and all of this. You have carried out this before, and right here you need to go into a website. However, you can additionally use your Instagram and your YouTube hyperlinks. Now you're at the inside of Amazon Pals, and you could basically search for any object here, like for instance lavatory, and then you can promote this lavatory for 1,000 greenbacks. All you want to do is click on get hyperlink, click on textual content, simplest, and right here you can click on short hyperlink, and here you have got your Amazon affiliate hyperlink. If each person goes through this link and buys the product with this hyperlink, you may make cash. However, how an awful lot cash will you definitely make? Nicely, here is a table for constant preferred fee prices for unique product classes, and you can see as an instance luxurious Splendor, luxurious store Splendor, and Amazon coins is 10. Now this look could be underneath furnishings, home and domestic improvement, in which you may get a 3% commission charge. So I want to invite the query, what number of toilets might you need to promote? A good way to make 100 greenbacks a day. I don't certainly realize about you, however, I really don't want to sell toilets. I am now not honestly interested in bathrooms, and I do not like toilets as a passion. So I want to expose you something which you is probably a little bit more involved in, and it's less difficult promote that you can begin doing with YouTube Shorts. So I need you to check out this YouTube channel proper right here, known as New Clever Utilities. They have uploaded 200 plus films and feature overloads of thousands of perspectives, and you can see the content material that they are making is called Smart Utilities. Cool devices, New Clever Utilities, and you can see a majority of these gadgets and some of these cool inventions and stuff. You can see the motion pictures are below 60 seconds here. Click on the maximum famous here, and you can see 91,067 million proper here. So I'm simply going to scroll through this video, and you could see that they have got most of these different things that they are basically just showing the commercial of the product itself. You go in the description, and you may see that they have Amazon affiliate hyperlinks inside the description down below. So if we click on any of these, we are able to go to Amazon.com, and if we purchase this product right here, they'll make money from that, but no longer simplest the product that they are promoting. However, every unmarried product that they have got of their cart already, this is referred to as a sticky cookie. So in the event that they determine to buy this, they want to shop for a few lavatory paper as well, perhaps a digicam, and additionally a TV as well. You will make a fee for that as nicely inside 24 hours. And from my enjoy, I make about 30 to 40% of the commissions from items that I don't even promote. So about 30 to 40% extra than you virtually work for. And right here is any other channel doing that genuine same issue. new gadgets, and you can see that they are getting like 100,000 perspectives every and each single video, and they're posting 4 motion pictures a day. If you guys are taking part in this video, take a quick pause and do not forget about to join the channel and go away a like in this video. This enables me create new money hacking motion pictures for you guys. Now allows get back to the video now. How you locate these products is to visit this website referred to as thisiswhyiambroke.com, and here they've these kind of crazy devices and things that people honestly love. Let's consider as an instance. I love nano-leaf LED lighting fixtures. Now what you have to do is you have to move and discover the actual advertisement of this product. So now, simply go to nano-leaf legitimate on TikTok. Now you could take this one video from TikTok, after which reproduction the actual link of the TikTok, then visit this internet site known as stick.io, and right here paste that at once in right here and click on download. Then click on without watermark, because YouTube would not honestly like that TikTok watermark, and then you definitely have the real video. And now you is probably asking properly, is this prison? Well, I reflect on consideration on it like this. If you take a video from nano-leaf and also you post it someplace else, it truly is basically simply and commercial of their product, and reflect on consideration on it. Aren't they gonna take you down for seeking to promote their product properly of direction? Now they love that you're sharing the phrase approximately their product around to all and sundry. So now just visit your YouTube channel, then drag that video right in right here, and you could name it like new devices at every other stage, a few different identify, and it's gonna upload some difficult ties in here of root. There we go. I to propose which you click right here, display greater, and upload some tags in here. To try this, and I have a simpler manner to do that, is to go to tubebuddy.com, just download this Chrome extension, and you may click on this sort of motion pictures, and then you can see what tags they are. Simply the usage of copy to clipboard, after which upload most of these tags to your tags as properly, much like that, to make you rank faster.